say hi. Hello everyone. Today I have mailbag day. I have a lot of packages. Let's unpack it together and see what I got. So let's get started. As you see, they ship like that. A lot of small packages in a big one and a lot. And here's a lot as well. Oh, yes. I don't remember what I ordered, so it will be a surprise for me also. Okay. So this one, a box already opened. It's a tester for batteries. It says 2 channels, but actually in the back they said this test battery and this just a power. So little bit unclear. Okay, and this one is a little bit tiny. I need to put a bigger one later. And basically it's a small screen. I think it's a Raspberry Pico. Another one. This one should be a really tiny model. Don't drop it or you lose it. Yeah, and it's a radio model. So with this you can make Arduino accept radio. So cool. Next one, this sealed one. Okay, let's be quicker. Blah blah blah, unwrap it. This one is an LCD with a card reader. Okay, good. I love LCDs. Another one. Quickly. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite Nokia display. So I got a few of them. Oh, even with the box. Oh, it's another one. Different display. But I think interface is the same as Nokia. SPI. Okay, another one. Okay, let's open that. And another display. Cool. This one I already opened it. It's a little bit DC motor with gear. Like, how to say? Oh, okay. I will put it's in the description. Another one. Okay. This is. It has a USB wire and it's a board ST. Okay, good. Next. Okay, this one is a bunch of LEDs to test. This one says radio model. So another radio model for Arduino. We will check everything else, like personal videos. Another same board as this one. I think another USB cable. Okay, this one. Okay, let's have buttons like joystick, I think, so you can play games or something. Cool. And our STM board. Another one. Yes, it's Cheha 582F Belia board. Okay, it's done. Next one. Another display. Okay. And another DAPLink, so for debugging. Okay. Don't cut yourself. And STM board. Okay, this plugged directly into Uno, and it have like 8 LEDs. Okay, cool. A bunch of connectors, but should they come with pins? Too bad. Okay. And another this 8 LEDs. Oh, it's a bunch of. Oh, okay. This wires is directly for STLink, so you don't have to like manually connect every time. I will put everything in the description so everyone can check. I think this is another motor. Yes. Okay. With big gear attached. Okay. I hope we can make some use of it. And another one. Oh, okay. This have connectors with wires. Yeah. And another one. And I got an STLink. And yeah, basically it's of course China clone. I think it's you can open it and check what processor it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, I will put a picture. And yeah, this wires goes directly to here, like that. And this goes to a blue pill. Okay. And have its own wires as well. And I think 2 more. Just in here. Okay, not this one. And last one. Yeah, another STLink wire, and this one is pretty cool. It's an array of LEDs. Okay, tell me what you think, what project we can build with that, and that's it.